Hello everyone, welcome to CodeTude. In this Python series, we have started with the chapter operators. Now let's understand what is logical operator. The logical operators are and, or, not. So let's understand what is and operator. Basically, it's very important to understand what is truth table to understand this logical operators. So this truth table is basically used to understand the compound statement. It is used to take decision about the compound statement. For example, if you have two statement like it is rainy, it is sunny. So these are the two statement. So based on these two statement, if you want to take some decision, then in that case, this logical operators are very helpful. Now this is the AND truth table. So in the AND truth table, whenever you are using AND operator, then in that case, both the statement should be true. If both the statements are true, then the output is true. If any one of the statement is false, then the output is false. Okay. So this is the peculiarity about AND truth table. Okay. So let's take example and understand this. Now here A is 30, A is 20, B is 30 and C is 40. Here I am comparing two statements. Okay, so this is a compound statement. Okay, compound statement means which is connected by conjunction is a compound statement. Now here A is less than B is one statement and B is less than C is another simple statement, and these two statements are connected by the AND logical operator. So now this is the compound statement, right? Now we will check what is the output of this statement, which is A less than B. Here A is 20 and B is 30. So A is less than B. So here the output is true. Okay. A is less than B. Yes, because A is 20, B is 30. So A is less than B. So the output is true. Now let's check the statement B is less than C. Here B is 30, C is 40. Yes. So the output of this statement is also true. Now we want to give the final conclusion. Now the operator here is AND. Okay, so AND means compulsory both the statement should be true. Okay, so what this AND table suggests, when both the statements are true, then the final output is true. If any one of the statement is false, then the output is false. Here in our case, both the statements are true, so the final output should be true. So let's remove this and run this code, and that's why we got true as the output. Now let's change one of the statement. Let's change it to 70 and run this. We got false output. Why? Because this statement is false in this case. Now see, A is 70, B is 30. 70 is less than 30? No. So that's why false. And B is less than C. Yes, this is true. But if any one of the statement is false, then the output is false. Okay, so this is AND operator. Now let's understand OR operator. Now this is the truth table for OR operator. Okay, OR. So if any of the statement is true, the output is true. If both the statements are false, the output is false. So if any one of this condition, A less than B or B is equal to C, if any of this statement is true, the final output will be true. Okay, so this is the AND this is the OR operator. Okay, so let's change it to OR. Okay, now here let's run this statement. The output is true. Now here A is 20, B is 30. So 20 is less than 30. The output is true. Okay. B is equal to C. B is 30, C is 40. They are not equal. Okay. So the output is false. But our truth table suggests that if any one of the statement is false or true, then the output is true. Okay. So if any one of the statement is true, the output is true. Now let's change the statement. Keep it 30 again we will get true, because if any one of the statement is true, the output is true. Okay, so this is the difference. You have to remember this and or table. So it's very simple. And table suggests that both the statement should be true for the final output to be true, and or table suggests that if any one of the statement is true, then the final output is also true. Okay, so in this way this truth table works on compound statements. The next is not operator. Not will change the status, it will change the value true to false and false to true. Okay, so this is the simple statement. Now you know how to read this statement, how to interpret this statement: A is less than B and B is equal to C. So whatever the output, let's check the output of this first. The output is false. So in case if you want to reverse the truth value, then in that case you can use the not operator. Okay, now let's run this. True. Okay, so you will get the complement of a variable. For in case if you are getting true value, and if you use not operator, then true value will be changed to false. Similarly, if you get false value and if you are using not operator, then false value will be changed to true. So this is all about logical operators in Python, and these are the truth table, and truth table, or truth table, and not truth table. Let's understand this identity operator in the next video. Thanks for watching.